Well, hey family, happy Saturday. This is Darlene. Wanted to stop by really quick. If you're a part of the Jury by BDK Creator Zone, there is a sneak peek available for the September 2023 magazine. So if you're a member in the Jury by BDK Creator Zone, when you go to the group, there is a link available so that you can get a sneak peek of the September 2023 digital magazine. The actual magazine blast will go out on Monday, August the 21st. So members will always get a sneak peek of the magazine before it literally goes out to everybody else. So if you're in the magazine, okay, go take a peek at yourself. And what I didn't put in there this time was like bios. I don't think I'm going to be putting bios. As long as people who are interested click on your link, they go to your website. When they go to your website, that is where they will learn everything they need to know about you. Hopefully everything is set up on the website where you have all your links for your social media, your bio, the about, all those good things. And when they go to your website, that's where they'll get all that information. And I'm doing that for the sole purpose of space. So and I'm trying to keep the magazine limited to like 40 pages. Okay, so right now the digital magazine is at 40 pages. There's a lot of new information that's coming in like every single day. So I got to sift through it. I got to figure out, what I want to put in each magazine for each month and all that type of stuff. And I do have enough content that would probably, at this very moment, that would probably produce digital magazines for October, November, December, and January. And a lot of the information that's coming in is, of course, brands, people who have other products, and it's not just jewelry. It's a little bit of everything, but my thought is to keep it. It is the Jewelry by BDK magazine, and the thought is to keep it concentrated on jewelry, and then everything else just kind of circulates around the jewelry, like with the articles, with other brands can be placed in. Like one something that's in the digital magazine is a movie. Is it called Comeback? With Taye Diggs. It's a movie with Taye Diggs, and I think her name is April somebody. It will be released on Peacock TV August 26th, I think. I don't know, but it's in a digital magazine. So there is a lot of, like content that's coming in like that for movies, for, like different things that I guess they may have already been scheduled to be released or something, because, the whole entertainment pretty much industry is picketing. So I guess it's like little things they can't really promote. I would think, shoot, even if they're independent, they might be able to do stuff, right? But there's still different information that's coming in, and I'm thinking that they're independent. And they might still be a part of that industry, and part of the unit, not units, but what is that called? Like not Teamsters, but unions and things. So I'm sure a lot of those people are still a part of that, but it must be like independent projects that people are working on, because information and content is still coming through. So I'm like, okay, well, and then my whole thought is too, though, while they are striking and they're doing all of this, right, I'm going to keep the Jury by BDK magazine circulating with whatever is going on. So when the picketing stops and hopefully these people get what it is that they want and all that type of good stuff, the magazine will be in circulation, and then it'll get more, more content, more information will come in. Because I was even thinking, I'm in San Diego, they're picketing and doing what they're doing right here in Los Angeles. And I even thought about going up there just to do interviews and, doing all that type of thing. And then writing the articles and putting them in the digital magazine. And then you know what, I think I will do that. One of the guys that was working with me for Vibing on Films, he was one of the ones used to always go up and do premieres and movie reviews and all this type of stuff. So I might have a chat with him and see if he won't go up there and do that. And then that will become an ongoing articles throughout the digital magazine. But I'll check that. I just thought about that. It's like, man, that's a really good idea. But anyway, if you're in the group Jury by BDK Creator Zone, you have access. Excuse me, you have access to the September 2023 magazine at this very moment, right? And guess what, family? Enjoy your weekend, and we shall talk.